Welcome back to Parkside Manor, everybody. It is Wednesday, July the 16th, and we have a ton of progress that I am so excited to share with you. So without talking about it, let's just jump in and go have a look at it. Come on, let's go. Okay, so something that I want to talk about today is, again, like I feel like our clients pay us to have their back. And for me, the siding that has been done on this house is not even remotely close to what I would consider acceptable. Why is that, might you ask? Well, this vertical joint and this vertical joint are really close together, number one. Number two, if you look across the bottom here, these things are up and over and all over the place. Like they're not consistent. It's not flat, right? The other thing is that on this one in particular, the gap between here and up here is different. Like they need to be parallel. Now, when we pan the camera to the left and we look over here, you can see the spacing between each of the shingles is roughly ½ an inch, right? Now, we have existing siding right here, and this siding here is closer to a quarter to a strong quarter, right? So we want to make sure that everything that we're doing is consistent. Again, the end goal when Sprucehill executes a construction project for any of our clients is we want people to come to the home and really not know where the construction began and started. It needs to look seamless. Like I feel like it's a failure when somebody comes to your home and they can immediately identify the renovated space. We want to work with our clients to come up with some sort of blended solution so that when guests and friends come over, the home looks continuous. It doesn't look like one area is perfectly brand new while the other area just looks completely destroyed. These shingles look good. Those shingles, no bueno. Okay, so we are back in the lobby of this foyer. Let's go with foyer. We're back in the foyer of this magnificent home. What we have here are some magical stickers. I'm not gonna tell you what these stickers are for. I'm gonna let Kyle and the team tell you what these stickers are for in the coming weeks. But nonetheless, these things have significance, and it's actually pretty cool what's going down with respect to this. There is some deep, sick, deadly technology going in, and we're really excited. Like getting these stairs in and showing you what this is gonna look like is gonna be amazing. You know, within, where are we now? We're July 16th. So I would say by the end of the month, early August at the latest, this temporary floor is going to be gone. It's going to be completely open. You know, I've talked about it a ton on this channel, and for this project, this floor has been here for almost a year. I'm going to take full credit for it because it was my brainchild and it was the right decision. I knew how much work was going to be getting done on the upper floor. I knew that we were going to need to do work in the ceiling above, and having scaffolding all over the main floor here and having to work around scaffolding would have been an absolute logistical nightmare, just a pain in the butt all around. By spending, you know, a couple of days and a little bit of money on some lumber, all of which can be reused, by the way. The team, the drywallers, the painters, the finishers, the electricians, the low voltage guys, the painters are out there right now. You can hear the spray gun going. Everybody's been using this, and it has been super, super useful. So, you know, sometimes I have great ideas and sometimes I have awesome ideas, and I am going to pump my own tires on this one and say, this was a stroke of genius. Yes, I said it. Come at me, comment section. I'm waiting for it. What has been completed is the pantry. And how amazing is this for a walk-in pantry? Again, like we've got this hidden door action going here. So when the door is closed, you're not even gonna really know that the space is here, but you know, all sorts of additional storage. There'll be appliances in here. And again, you know, this client really did not want to have anything in the backsplashes that made the backsplashes broken up and look ugly. So all of the plugs are going to go in the bottoms of the cabinets. And this is where you'll plug things into, not the walls. Different, but definitely very, very sexy. We are now in the office on the main floor here. And, you know, you can see cabinets going in galore. We've got all sorts of stuff happening in here. This continues to move forward, but you know, for the time being, there's really not a lot to talk about other than the fact that we have got a ton of amazing storage in here. Be a desk in here, and life is going to be great. Okay, we are back in the basement here. We can see that we have a ton of drywall going up. We got drywall there, drywall here. The drywallers are getting their first and second coat, it looks like, on. Corner beads will go on shortly, I'm assuming. With a no molding detail, it is a multi-step process. It is not fast, it is not quick, it is not efficient. Does it look amazing? Absolutely. Is it quick to do? No. Is it expensive? Also, yes. In here, again, we have that floor that was installed a week or two ago now. And so that's in. We've got the Schluter anti-fracture membrane in. Is it glued down? It is. So I don't care what anybody says. It's gonna take a lot of convincing to convince me that the Schluter Ditra membrane for an anti-fracture membrane is not the best in class. If you have tile in your home and the grout consistently cracks or goes missing from between the tile, there's only one reason that's happening. It's that your floor is moving just a little bit, the littlest amount. It doesn't take much, just a little bit amount. Every time you step on it, it's gonna loosen that grout and it's gonna break up. And then when you go to vacuum it, it's gonna get sucked up into the vacuum. You put down an anti-fracture membrane and that eliminates that entirely. As long as you have this anti-fracture membrane down, like we have had nothing but success for the last 19 years using Schluter product. Thank you, Schluter, for all that you do to make our projects so fantastic. Coming into the steam shower, looking good, looking great, really. Right? We've got our benches all framed up, ready to go as we steam. This is a shower head here. These are actually speakers. It's controlled Bluetooth. There's no valves. How this is actually controlled is electronically. So I don't want to mess with anything because I don't want myself or Kyle to get an unwanted shower. But this is what controls the shower head, connects the speakers in here, and then also controls the steam which comes out down there. So kind of cool. No valves, electronically controlled. It's the first time we're working with a product like this, so I'm cautiously optimistic that we won't have any problems with it into the future. So we are in the guest bathroom on the basement floor here at Parkside Manor, and the tile setters have got the Decton in and achieved a nice flush transition from tile to hardwood. Mission freaking critical here in Sprucehill land. This is another awesome bathroom in this amazing house. And hey, Western Living, start watching our content and make this project be a part of your magazine. Like, there has been no other project that is more worthy of being on the cover of Western Living than Parkside Manor. Let's connect, please and thank you. Okay, so we are in the basement bedroom here at Parkside Manor, and what an amazing space we have going on here. We've got Jason underway getting some final backing done in the bathroom behind us over here. You can see we've got all of the drywall up. It's looking fantastic. I am so excited to see complete and painted. How amazing a space is this? We were in here last week and I had made mention that the reveal here was not quite where I would want it to be. So quick message on Slack, and Anne got that fixed for us and for our clients. So this is now exactly as I would hope it should be. Nice even reveals around 4 sides of the door. That is quality craftsmanship, and that is the Sprucehill way. Pro drywall tip: if you are doing a few little touch-ups here and there, put some yellow food coloring in your mud. It will help it to stand out and be more obvious as a place where you need to touch up sand. Do not use darker colors. They are harder to cover over when you go to paint. Yellow works. Well, that's a wrap on today's walkthrough. If you have any questions about what we're doing or why we're doing it, feel free to leave us a comment below and we will respond to you. Also, if you have a custom home or a big renovation that you're hoping to do, we would love to hear from you and be your partner to success. So feel free to reach out at our website or call us at the office and speak to one of our amazing customer success team members. In the meantime, we sure would appreciate your subscription to our channel and your like on this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay awesome. Bye now.